everyone, Susie here. Thank you for tuning in today. I am just about to shower and get ready for work, and I am going to be reviewing a product for you guys. So I've been using this product for, I'm going to say about 2 weeks now since I bought it, and I think I have formed enough of an opinion about it now that I can really let you guys know what I think about it. And that is the Not Your Mother's Superior Strength Rice Water and Himalayan Moringa Shampoo and Conditioner. These are 98% naturally derived, and they do have rice water in the formula, which adds protein and kind of restores the vibrancy of your hair. So I was using a shampoo and conditioner from Costco. It was the Kristen S shampoo and conditioner, and I started experiencing hair loss with that shampoo and conditioner. I need to do a separate video on that, but I started noticing a lot of hair just kind of on my clothes and just everywhere. My husband's like, "Why are you shedding this much?" And I'm like, that's unusual for me. And as soon as I stopped using it and I picked up a different shampoo and conditioner, it stopped. So that is crazy. But this is what I actually picked up, my local public store, to use. And I was like, where has this been? I love this stuff. I love it. So I am going to go ahead and take my shower. I'm going to use both the shampoo and conditioner. And then from there, I can go ahead and I'll do the review for you guys. So I'm going to wash my hair. I do have fine hair, so this is going to be a shampoo and conditioner review on fine hair. And yeah, I'll tell you guys more when I get out of the shower, but I am going to go ahead and wash my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, and then I'll join you guys back so I can tell you more about it. All right, everyone, so I am out of the shower and I am just brushing my hair out. My hair feels super soft, and the one thing I really like about this conditioner especially is that it really makes your hair soft and manageable. So when I go in and use my wet brush, it really is very easy to get my hair, you know, untangled and get all the knots out from being in the shower, and doesn't tear out a whole bunch of my hair in the process, which is really, really nice. So my hair feels super good right now, and it smells very nice and clean. So this shampoo and conditioner, it has kind of like a not a super thick consistency. It has like a medium consistency. So it's a little bit runny, but it's not super runny. Like you can definitely like hold your hand like this. It's not gonna go like sliding down. It does, you know, lather up pretty well, considering that a lot of the ingredients are natural ingredients. A lot of times shampoos and conditioners that have more natural ingredients, they're not gonna lather quite as much, but these actually lather up pretty well, I think, and they have a really lovely scent. I personally really like the scent. It's kind of like a tropical scent. You know, it's sort of like I'm gonna call it like a tropical fruit salad with some coconut. It smells really, really good, really nice. So the shampoo and conditioner look pretty much the same except for the writing. So the conditioner has like more of a cursive-y, you know, type of writing, and then the shampoo is just a plain writing. So this formula has rice water in it, which if you don't know about rice water, a lot of like people recommend using rice water to add like strength and protein and resiliency to your hair. There's people that actually do like a rice water rinse. When they cook the rice, they literally like leave the rice over and use that in their hair. It's really good for your hair, and it just really strengthens it. It gives it some shine and some, you know, like strength to it. So it's not that it's like damage repairing so much as it just strengthens your hair. So the rice water is a really, really good part of that. It's cruelty free, it's vegan. I mean, 98% naturally derived ingredients, and the container size is pretty good too. It's about I think I paid $8.99 for these, and these are about 15.5 fluid ounce bottles of the shampoo and conditioner. And you don't need much, honestly. I do about 3 pumps of the shampoo and about 3 to 4 pumps of the conditioner. And what I really like to do with the conditioner is when I'm actually applying it, I will afterwards kind of use like a clip, sort of like this one, to kind of clip my hair into place back there. And then that just kind of keeps that hair, you know, out of my face while I'm washing the rest of my body, and it can leave the conditioner in my hair for a little bit longer. So I will add the conditioner, clip my hair up, and then wash probably for about 3 minutes or so. Wash the rest of my body, you know, all that good jazz, and then I will rinse it out. So that way it leaves a little bit of extra time in my hair to work its magic, to, you know, just kind of strengthen my hair a little bit more. The formula is really nice. Moringa is supposed to be really, really good for your hair, for your body, just in general. I don't know a whole lot about Moringa, but I do know about the rice water, because I've literally heard of people doing rice water rinses, and it just does amazing things for your hair. So this is just a really nice way to incorporate the rice water in your, you know, hair routine without having to like physically go out and boil some rice and keep the water. So very, very nice. And I think that it has added a lot of strength and a lot of smoothness to my hair. Just gonna show you what my hair looks like after I, you know, blow dry it and style it and everything, and how it's looking at the end. So I will join you guys back here in just a bit. All right, so I did just blow dry my hair. I brushed it out, and this is what it looks like after I wash my hair. So you can see it's very shiny. And, you know, it's not smooth because I haven't styled it yet. I just literally brushed my hair out and blow dried it. And I typically let my hair air dry about pretty much just a little more than halfway. And then I'll just kind of blow dry it towards the very, very end. So that way I can use as little heat as possible. And yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. You know, honestly, I feel like it does give you a little bit of volume to the hair. But more than anything, my hair just feels clean. It feels like the product actually rinsed out. You know, it doesn't feel waxy. It doesn't feel like there's any kind of buildup on it. That's something else I experienced with the Kristen S shampoo. It was a lot of buildup, and it was a very waxy feeling buildup. It was very gross. My hair felt super gunky. Yeah, never again. But this one actually does feel really good. It feels like the product has cleanly, you know, rinsed out. And I feel like my hair just feels very soft. It feels manageable. It feels pretty smooth. But more than anything, I think the one thing that I've noticed the most since I've been using it is that I just haven't had any kind of hair falling out, you know, no hair loss. I mean, it's normal to shed like some hair, but if you're having like quite a lot of hair that is being lost, that's not normal. You know, there's something weird going on, and I never had a problem with that before. Not like to that degree. I mean, just a plain normal hair shedding that drives my husband crazy is one thing, but this was like a lot. And as soon as I stopped using it and I started using this one, I'd been using it for like maybe a week, I noticed a huge difference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out this product if you do. They do have other formulations. They have one for curly hair. They have, I think, one for like smoothing of the hair. So they have some different formulations. If you want to try one of the other formulations, or you have a different type of hair texture. But I just think it's very moisturizing, but it's not too much. It doesn't weigh my hair down. I just love this shampoo and conditioner, and I'm definitely going to be repurchasing it. I do change my shampoos and conditioners up every so often just because I think my hair gets used to things. but I'm going to be definitely repurchasing this one again in the future. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.